Hello, in the first lecture we have discussed of AGP concept. Now we'll take some of the problems related to that topic. The first one is to find the sum of the series. Just see the series. If I say what is the nth term of this series, then first before that I will say is it AGP or not. The AGP, as we have learned, that see here 147, is it forming AP? Yes, common difference is d is equal to 3. So I will say write the nth term of this. Say I'm writing the nth term. A plus n minus 1, common difference 3. 3n minus 2 divided by. And what is the nth term of GP will be? So GP is 1 by 5 ka power 0, 1 ka power by 5, 1 by 5 square dotted dotted. So it becomes 5 ka power n minus 1. Now what is the step? So GP common ratio is multiplied. So common ratio of GP is 1 by 5. I multiplied s by 5. This 1 by 5 ka power 0, which is 1. It becomes 1 by 5. This 4 by 5 becomes 4 by 5 square. I have shifted and writing there. Again, this 7 by 5 square when multiplied by 1 by 5, it becomes 7 by 5 cube. Dotted dotted. If I ask what is the term just before this, then your reply will be common difference is 3. So subtract AP with 3, 3n minus 5, and GP n minus 1 term will be 5n minus 2. When I multiplied with 1 by 5, then it becomes 3n minus 5 divided by 5 ka power n minus 1. And this term gets shifted 3n minus 2, 5 ka power n minus 1 when multiplied by 1 by 5, it becomes 5 ka power n. Now I subtract these two terms. What it becomes? 4s by 5. See here, this is 1. This is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 square. 3 by 5 cube. Subtraction I'm doing. Okay now? 10 minus 7, 5. 3. And divide by 5 ka power 3. And this one become 3 upon 5 ka power n minus 1. See here, this become minus 3n minus 2 divided by 5 ka power n. Now I will say if you take common 3, then the remaining term is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube, and it is forming purely GP 1 upon 5 ka power n minus 1, but number of terms is n minus 1, and first term is 1 by 5, common ratio is 1 by 5, then 4s by 5 is equal to 1 plus 3, first term is a, 1 minus r, 1 by 5 ka power, writing n minus 1 because formula says a 1 minus r ka power n upon 1 minus r, and 1 minus 1 by 5 I'm writing directly 4 by 5 minus 3n minus 2 divided by 5 ka power n. So s, before s let's simplify this. 1 plus this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. 3 by 4 when multiplied with 1 it becomes 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 1 upon 5 ka power n minus 1 minus 3n minus 2 upon 5 ka power n. So s becomes, this becomes 7 by 4, 7 by 4, 7, 5 will divide to 7 into 5. Let me write first this 4s by 5, and this becomes 7 by 5, 4 minus 3 by 4, 5 ka power n minus 1 minus 3n minus 2 divided by 5 ka power n. So s will become 35 by 60 minus 15 by 4, 5 to the power n minus 1. You simplify it by dividing with 5, and this becomes 5 by 4, 5 to the power n into 3n minus 2. You can further simplify it, or I can say this is the answer. Now come to the question number 2. In this we are taking infinite AGP. If you see, s is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square 4x cube dotted up to infinity, mod x is less than 1. Now I will say if you, what is the common ratio of GP in this series? So first of all you have to find the GP. So which is GP? Then you will say 1 and this x square and this x cube. This is forming a GP. So what is the common ratio of GP? You will say it is x. Again you will multiply with x to the left and the right, but right side the terms are get shifted by one terms. It becomes x, 1 into x. 2x become 2x square, so I am writing here 2x square. 3x square become 3x cube, and this is an infinite GP, so I am not taking any stress on the nth term anyone, but I am writing infinite. It is going to be infinite. Now I am subtracting this. What it becomes? 1 minus x into s, because in this I can take s common, so this is 1 and minus x. What it becomes? It becomes 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dotted, it will goes to infinity. So infinite GP formula I will use. What is the infinite GP formula? A upon 1 minus r. A is 1, common ratio is x, 1 minus x. So s becomes 1 upon 1 minus x whole square. So this is the answer of this question. Now let's take the question number 3. If the sum to infinity of the series 3 plus 5r plus 7r square dotted infinity is 44 by 9, then value of r. Again, if you see, this is AGP. How? Then you again say 357 is AP, 1r, r square is GP, so AGP. So common ratio of GP is r. Again multiplied both sides by r, so it becomes r into s. This 3 multiplied with r, it becomes 3r. 5r multiplied with r, it becomes 5r square, and it keeps on increasing infinity. Now subtract it. When I subtract, what it becomes? 1 minus r into s, because this is 1, and what this becomes? 3 plus 2r plus 2r square. It keeps on going. 1 minus r into s, 3, take common 2, it becomes r plus r square infinity. This is the sum of infinite GP formula. I have to use it. A upon 1 minus r, so it becomes 3 plus 2 this r upon 1 minus r, 1 minus r into s, and s is equal to 3 by 1 minus r plus 2r upon 1 minus r whole square. Sum of infinite GP is a upon 1 minus r. Now if I simplified this one, see here, 3 into 1 minus r plus 2r upon 1 minus r whole square. I am taken 1 minus r as LCM, so 3 into 1 minus r plus 2r. So it becomes 3 minus r upon r square minus 2r plus 1, and its value is given 44 divided by 9. Multiply it, so it becomes 27 minus 2, 9r. This becomes 44r square minus 88r plus 44. 44r square minus 9 will come here, it becomes plus 9r, so minus 79r. This 27 comes here, so it becomes 17 is equal to 0. See here, 44 means 11 into 4 and this is 17. 17 4 just 68 into 11. Okay, this becomes 44 r square minus 11 r minus 68 r, that is 79 r plus 17 is equal to 0. From here I am taking common 11 r and from here I am taking minus 17 common. So what will be the remaining? It will be remaining 4r minus 1 is equal to 0. So r value is 17 by 11 and r value is 1 by 4. This is the answer of question number 3. Now let's solve question number 7. Find the sum again to the n terms of the series. Again this is as I am writing as s is equal to 3, 5, 7. This is AP. So nth term will be 3 plus n minus 1 common difference 2. So after simplifying it becomes 2n plus 1. So I'm erasing this and saying 2n plus 1. Now see, this is 1, this is 4, this is 4 square, this is GP forming. So nth term will be 4 ka power n minus 1. Just below this, before this, 2n minus 1 upon 4 ka power n minus 2. Now I come from here that the common ratio of the GP is 1 by 4. So I will multiply with 1 by 4 in every terms of left and right, but right side again gets shifted. And I am writing 5 by 4 into 1 by 4, it becomes 5 by 4 square. And it keeps on coming here. 2n minus 1, when it multiplies with 1 by 4, 4 ka power n minus 1, it gets shifted. 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power n plus 1. Now I am subtracting s minus s by 4, that is 3s by 4. This is 3, this is 2 by 4, this is 2 by 4 square dotted. This is 2 upon 4 ka power n minus 1 minus 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power n. Now see, this 3s by 4, this is 3, I am taken common 2, it becomes 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square dotted 1 upon 4 ka power n minus 1 minus 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power n, because here it is a 0, so 0 minus this minus. From here I can say 3s by 4, I can simplify it 3 plus 2. First term is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Number of terms, see here, number of terms from here to here, it is n minus 1. Okay, not n minus 1. So divide by 1 minus r. 1 minus r means 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, minus 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power n. So I can write it like this: 3, this 4 get cancelled and this becomes 2 by 3 minus 2 upon 4 ka power n minus 1, and this again 3 will be here, 3 minus 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power n. Now as I can write it here, this becomes 11 by 3 and 44, because s is 3 by 4, 4 by 3, I have divided it and I say 11 by 3. The 3 by 4 I am dividing, the 44 by 9 minus 2 upon 3 square, and this 4 goes up, so it becomes 2 becomes 8 into 4 ka power n minus 1. Again this becomes 4 by 3. You simplified it, 2n plus 1 upon 4 ka power 1. I have to just see the steps and the final answer. After simplifying you will get the answer. So these 4 questions which I have given here and I have solved it will make you very much concept clear. And related to this I have also put some questions. Just go below the link and you will get it and solve it and check the answer.